The next team is from Space in the New Frontier track, and they are ElectricKeeper.
Hi, everybody.
Hey,
everyone.
Hello, how are you guys?
Good, good.
Great. So can everyone see my screen?
Yes, we can. And
Yes,
your 3 minutes starts now. Go ahead.
Okay. So we're going to start with a demo first. So we have a question for you. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Pink.
blue.
Green. Purple. Let's do purple.
All right, pink first. Okay. So we're going to buy pink. So what we're doing right now is we're buying 1 minute worth of
I guess I can talk a
electricity.
little bit about the front end. It is built using React, where we utilize different Web3 libraries, like the Web3 React provider, to connect with different wallets, like Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Coinbase. We also host the front end of Fleek and IPFS, as well as Skynet Labs, where you can access it through the CSGI portal.
Yeah, so we just bought some electricity too. Joanna was explaining the front end, but now we're going to jump to the presentation. So pay attention to the light. Something special is going to happen in a minute, roughly. So we're here to make a statement. Our statement is electric distribution has problems. So what do we mean by that? It wastes time, human error, identity theft. So our solution is a smart contract, a hybrid smart contract, which integrates Chainlink Keepers to automate expiring LEDs or like units or apartments in theory. So our stack is we use Polygon Mumbai and we use Node.js to communicate with our Raspberry Pi 4. Here's the pinout for the Raspberry Pi 4. And here's the buy logic. So not only can you buy and turn an LED on, you can also renew it as well. So here's the logic for turning off the LED. So if an LED is on and the expiration time is met, then the LED will be turned off. So you could do this manually. But the way we did this flowchart is we actually kind of chopped it up so you could actually see how Chainlink Keepers work. So off chain, this is happening. It's like seeing, did anything get turned off? And then if it does detect something, then just like that, did everybody just see that? The LED went off by itself, all automated by Chainlink Keepers. So yeah, so off-chain detected, and then on-chain it'll go. So this is the emergency on-off logic. So this is great because like if there is a situation where there's like danger, we could turn it off and also preserve the time left for that person that bought the LED last. It'll be re-added. So the way the hardware knows about all this is that it's basically using Web3.js and an Alchemy WebSocket Secure Mumbai connection. And we basically look through all the LED values continuously. And yeah, so we actually use Chainlink VRFV2, which actually came out during this hackathon for a 8-bit light show. So it was kind of like an entertainment thing. And for this project as well, we used a Chainlink API to get electric rate data on chain so that we actually have some relevance to what's actually happening in the real world. And we also use Chainlink price feeds. So we're using Polygon. So message.value is dictated by Matic. So we converted Matic in terms of a penny. And so we didn't have to approve with an ERC20 token, which wastes time and eats up gas. It's an extra transaction. So it's pretty accurate. I mean, this is almost a penny. So yeah, we also, as an experiment, we did some ZK research and we tried to like send a message with ZK sync, but we couldn't get that working because it's not Turing complete yet. So we just have an event counter for that.
And that is
fully tested it.
Time, unfortunately.
Okay.
Judges, you have a quick question for ElectricKeeper.
Can you go into a little bit deeper the how you would use this for the the main point of the project? I mean, clearly a lot of work went into the development and integration with hardware, but what's the real killer use case?
Well, let's go back to the start. So here's a real situation. So people have to commute to turn your meters on and off, right? That's very slow and it's not automated. And human error, here's a real story that happened to me. I was working from home and then my power got cut. And then I was like, what happened? I've been paying my bills automatically. I run downstairs, I find the person before they drive off, the utility person. And they're like, oh, I cut your power by accident. So using something like this to automate the expirations would work better. And identity theft. So my dad, actually, I mentioned this idea to my dad and he told me this actually happened with, he moved out and someone used his identity and he lost points on his credit score. So this is what this is trying to solve, just automation and just making life simpler.
Great. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.